Hi guys, today I am testing a stainless steel reusable capsule for Illy coffee machines. Okay, so let's start. So right now I have unscrewed the capsule and I'm adding coffee granules. It is important to remember to press down hard on the coffee to avoid producing a weak drink. Okay, so now it's time to screw the capsule back together. It's important that you screw this very tight to avoid any leakage. Okay, so next we're just going to pop the capsule in the coffee machine just like you would with a normal plastic Illy capsule. Okay, so now it's time to push the start button. Okay, so it's now going to take about a minute to produce the coffee, so I'm just going to speed up the clip. Okay, so approximately 1 minute later and we have a cup of coffee. I can confirm it tasted great, and I now will be using the stainless steel reusable capsule instead of the plastic Illy ones. I would really appreciate it if you could please subscribe to my channel or like my video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.